Hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the TCS Fresher Recruitment Drive 2021. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off campus like this. And recently we have uploaded the interview preparation video for Accenture aptitude MCQ questions, about the pseudo code MCQ questions for Capgemini, for IBM and Amazon off campus drive and MDocs, etc. So I'll be putting the links of the other latest off campus in the description of this video. Go through the links and apply for the other off campus as well before it gets expired. And one more thing, in the next video or in our upcoming videos, we'll be discussing about the TCS recently asked written test MCQ questions as well as the recently asked technical interview questions. So I am requesting all of you to please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be able to get the updates whenever we are uploading the new videos in YouTube regarding this TCS off campus. So now let's discuss. So this is all about the TCS Smart Hiring IT Drive 2021. So now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria first. So the hiring drive is open for the talented 2019 and 2021 batch. So now let's discuss about the other things. So here it is one more thing, registration end date is 23rd May 2021. So today is 8 May 2021. That means the registration process is live right now. You can apply for this off campus. Then test date is 6th June 2021, Sunday onwards. And the interview date will be communicated further once you are being shortlisted for the technical interview and for the HR interview. So now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria. So it is exclusively for the full-time graduates from the BCA, BSc, Computer Science, IT, Statistics, Chemistry, Physics, Electronics, Biochemistry, Biochemical Mathematics and the BVOC in CS or IT. It is for the starting from 2019 to up to 2021 year of pass out or the batch candidates. That means 2019, 2020 and 2021 year of pass out or the batch candidates can apply for this off campus. And for this time the BTech or the ME/MTech candidates are not eligible. Previously they were hiring for the BTech and the MTech candidates. That means in April. So right now you are not eligible, or next time whenever they are hiring, we'll definitely notify you all by making another video. So now let's discuss about the application process. So here first of all you need to register yourself in the Nextstep portal, nextstep.tcs.com. So it's the old process, nothing has been changed here. So later we'll be discussing. One more thing I need to highlight here about the eligibility criteria. So test details, as we discussed earlier, the test will be 80 questions that we have answered in. You have to answer in 120 minutes. It comprises the following sections: verbal ability 24 questions 30 minutes, reasoning ability 30 questions 50 minutes, and the numerical ability 26 questions 40 minutes. So in the next video we'll be discussing about the syllabus, about the frequently asked questions. No need to worry about that. You have enough time to prepare for this off campus because it is on 6th June 2021. Before end of this month, not end of this month, before 15th May 2021 we'll be uploading all the related videos about its syllabus, about the recently asked aptitude, English and the reasoning questions. So there is no here there is no coding questions. It's a purely basic things they will be asking. Numerical ability will be a little bit tough for this TCS off campus. It is for the NQT as well as for the smart hiring. The numerical ability questions will be a little bit tough, but the reasoning ability everyone will be able to solve. So we'll be discussing A to Z things in the next videos. No need to worry about that. Again I am repeating, this time we will be discussing only about the eligibility criteria and the about the registration process. So one more thing I need to highlight here about the eligibility. What is the minimum percentage required for this off campus? So here it will be written 50 percentage throughout your academics is required. So let me check test eligibility. Yeah, here percentage criteria CGPA of 5 or 50 percentage throughout your academics. That means 10th, 11th, 12th, BSc, BCA, etc. 50 percentage throughout minimum is required for this off campus. Overall educational gap must not exceed than 2 years. Maximum of 2 years of educational gap is allowed for this off campus. I hope most of the candidates does not have more than 2 years of age gap in their education. So this is all about the most important thing I wanted to highlight here. So now let's discuss about the registration process. So there are two steps totally you need to follow. First one is that you need to register yourself in the next step portal, nextstep.tcs.com. So this is the next step portal. So here basically two options are there. So I think 99% people know how to register here, because most of the candidates have already gone through the registration process previously. So here there are two options, login and register now. So if you are new to this next step portal, you need to click on the register now. Otherwise you can log in by simply providing a reference number, that means CT or DT ID, plus your email password. If you have forgotten your password, you can do the recovery process. It is same as of the Facebook or Instagram recovery process, password recovery process. So if you are new to this next step portal, click on the register now. There are two options. Yeah, this thing always will be facing whenever you are registering yourself in the TCS Next Step portal. Go back, secure connection problem. You will every time will be getting this kind of issue. So yeah, so there are two options available if you want to register. First one is the information technology. Second one is the business process services, BPS. So remember one thing, if you are applying for this IT field or TCS smart hiring or TCS NQT, you need to choose IT. I have seen most of the time people by mistake click on the BPS and they do the registration. So it is not a right one. You need to click on the IT, then you need to do the registration. So here you need to provide all the basic stuffs like name, title. These are the mandatory fields you need to fill up. Date of birth, gender, email ID, etc. Mobile number, institution name. You need to copy and paste your institution number from the internet if you want to do the copy paste, or if you are lazy like me. Then qualification you need to choose here. So there will be, these are the things you need to choose. Then year of passing, etc., etc. I need to put re-enter here. Password security question you need to choose. What is your pet name, postal code, etc. I need to choose any of these questions. Then click on the submit. So after submitting, you need to provide all the basic details like your address, your qualification, percentage, etc. Everything you need to provide. I am not going in detail because it's a very easy process. I think everyone will be able to do. Once you have done the 100% registration, you need to follow the second step. You need to click on the apply for the drive. At the after registering, at the left side, topmost left side, there will be the apply for the drive option. There will be there. Click on the apply for drive. It will be asking your location and date and your name. After providing all the details, click on the submit. Then you will be able to apply for the drive. Otherwise you will not be able to attend for this drive. Yeah, if you are not following this step 2, you will be able to only create an account in the next step portal, but you will not be able to attend the off campus this time for this smart hiring. If you want to attend this off campus, you need to follow the second step. Apply for the drive option will be there. It is mandatory. Left side it will be there, apply for the drive. Click on the apply for the drive. You'll be able to apply for the drive or attend for the drive. So in the next video, we'll be discussing about the syllabus, about the questions, etc. So I'll be putting these links in the description of this video. Go through the links and apply for this off campus before 23rd May 2021. So while registering yourself in this next step portal, if you have any doubt regarding the eligibility, the application process, etc., let us know in the comment section below. We are ready to help you as much as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.